All right, one of my last videos of the year. Here we go. This is day 3, reteaching, talking about natural logs. So solving a bunch of equations. That's what we're doing here. The first step here is you're going to divide both sides by 2. When you do that, you get this. Then you have to take the natural log of both sides. That's how you get rid of that e there. So when that happens, the left side goes away. This is your exact answer. Your approximate answer will be right there. So it might be a good idea just to copy these down. Make sure you can type them in your calculator, obviously, because some of these problems or similar problems might pop up on the quiz. The next one, we're just going to take natural log of both sides. That's perfectly fine. That happens. When that happens, the natural log of e goes away, and you're left with 4x equals natural log of 25. So you can just divide both sides by 4. Not that bad. Shouldn't be terrible anyway. It shouldn't be. Here's the approximate answer. That's what you get once you plug that into your calculator. Make sure you do natural log of 25 first. Hit equals, then 4. Or put the 25 in parentheses before dividing by 4. Either way, that's how you take care of it. For number 3, take natural log of both sides. That one's pretty straightforward. You get x is equal to that. The exact answer would be natural log of 72. The approximate, 4.277. For number 4, there's only one extra step here. Take natural log. You get 3x equals natural log of 124. Then you divide both sides by 3. So that's your exact answer. The approximate answer would be that right there. Number 5, we divide both sides by 8. Kind of gross because we get 2/3 there. Then we take natural log of both sides. Looks even grosser. The left side looks nicer though because the natural log of e goes away, and I'm just left with 3x minus 2. 2 steps left. I have to add 2 to both sides, and then I have to divide by 3. So what happens here is you start by adding 2 to both sides. You get natural log of 2/3 plus 2. But then you have to take that whole thing and divide by 3. To prove that you know what you're doing, plug it into your calculator, get that. And that should be what you get. Now, what you're going to have to do first, there's an order to this. Take natural log of 2/3 first. Hit equals. Add 2 to it. Then hit equals. Then divide that whole thing by 3. That's how you get that. Number 6. We'll start by making them both powers on e. When you do that, that's what you end up with. Then you add 3 to both sides. There's your exact answer. That's what we've been doing. If you plug this into your calculator, you'll end up getting that. So double check to make sure you know how to do that. You take e and you square it, hit equals, then add 3 to it. And that's how you would get that solution, that approximate solution. So number 7 and 8, we're going to try and get the natural log by itself first, then make them exponents on e. So here on number 7, we just put e underneath both of them. We get 2x is equal to e to the 4th. We divide it by 2. There's your exact answer. The approximate answer is right there. For number 8, the first thing you do is start by subtracting 1 from each side. Then you have some choices. But what I would do is I would take the natural or make them both exponents on e first. That way you get x squared is equal to e. Then you're going to square root both sides. So you basically get the square root of e, which is approximately 1.649. Thank you. So we take each side and we're going to make them exponents of e. So put e underneath each side if you want to call it that. So on the left side I get 2x minus 5. The right side I get e to the 3rd. Then I'm going to add 5 to both sides. Then I'm going to divide each side by 2. It's important that you know what you're doing there because you're dividing each side by 2. So when you plug that into your calculator, you should end up with that. And that's going to be your final solution there. Thank you very much. Should we do this one? No. Done.